Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be cooking broth and then having a little mukbang. So before wasting any time, let's get this spoon. So I think this one will do. I was busy preparing the meat for today's morning, but then since my uncle visited my farm, we were shooting some birds. So see, this is the result. I don't know what it's called in English, but then it's called ongu in my language, in my Chang language. And then see, I just set up look at parrot na. And thanks to my uncle and his friend for this precious bird. It's very beautiful. This is broth and then green leaves, and then it's a local fish given by my uncle, and this is rice. So before starting, let me pray. So see, first bite. It's a broth fest, so vinegar. My pigs are also very hungry. They are making a lot of noise, but I'll feed them later after I finish eating this food. This sleep is very good, very tasty. So that's it. This is my first mukbang, so it seems like as if I've put lots of rice here. See, it's almost over, but then I've been till my last bite, so I can't even move my stomach right now. So I have to work today also, so it won't be good if I have all this one now. I can't finish it, so I'll try to finish it next time. So last bite for today.